Welcome back. If you've made it this far, it means you've already installed the Syncroforms add-on in your Google form and completed the onboarding survey. Great job! Now you're ready to see Syncroforms in action. In this video, we'll explore what happens next. The main configuration screen where you can customize your exam, manage participants, and monitor everything in real time. You'll learn how to set up your forms, invite people, control timing and attempts, and finally send out your tests automatically. Let's take a look at how to make your Google Forms work smarter with Syncroforms. Once you have completed the onboarding form, you will move on to the next screen. At this stage, you will be inside the exam, where you can configure all the options according to your needs and view the most relevant elements in real time. On the left-hand panel, you will see a list of all your Google Forms that have been synchronized, as explained in previous steps. When you hover your cursor over any of them, a three-dot button will appear. Clicking this button will display three options: Show Form, Rename Form. The change only applies in Syncroforms, not in Google Forms. Delete Form. Keep in mind that this action will also delete all tests associated with that form. On the right side of the screen, you'll find a button that allows you to add people who will receive the form. Click on it to open a settings panel. The most important step here is to add the email addresses of the recipients. You can paste them directly from Outlook or type them manually. If you have an Excel or CSV file with one column for names and another for emails, Syncroforms will automatically detect the structure and import the data. Next, you'll need to set the duration of the test. If you don't want to apply a time limit, simply leave it as is. Otherwise, specify the maximum duration in minutes. You can also define the number of attempts each participant is allowed to make. For now, to keep this tutorial simple, we'll leave the configuration at this stage. Click Save Configuration. The system will notify you of the quota usage based on the number of emails to be sent. Once confirmed, if everything works correctly, you'll see the list of people who will automatically receive the test link by email. If you prefer not to use any quota, you can copy the generated link and share it manually with the recipients. Once participants open the link, you'll be able to monitor in real time what's happening during the test according to the options you've configured. That's all for this tutorial. You've learned how to configure your Google Forms within Syncroforms, invite participants, and monitor their tests in real time. In the next video, we'll look at how to review results and analyze performance data to make your evaluations even more effective. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next session.